His Excellency the Minister of Transport and Communication of Qatar, Your Excellency the Ambassador Khalid Al-Mansouri, Ambassador of the State of Qatar to the Republic of France, my dear friend Ray Connor, the Deputy Chairman and CEO of Boeing. Welcome, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Again, welcome to you all. It is an honor to be here to mark what is truly an exciting occasion, not just for Qatar Airways, but premium travelers around the world. I'm very proud to officially welcome our first ever retrofitted Boeing 777 aircraft featuring our revolutionary Q Suite. It is really revolutionary, and you will be able to witness this. This is the first in business experience and is the latest development by Qatar Airways, a truly unique, patented reinvention of premium travel. This new business class seat will be a game changer in our industry, and since its reveal at ITB in Berlin, it has created waves across the travel industry and, of course, jealousy amongst my competitors. This is a product so revolutionary that it will redefine passenger expectations of business travel. As both innovators and pioneers, this is a natural evolution of our service philosophy that you can create your own experience on Qatar Airways. This concept was 3 years in the making and is truly a memorable and exciting moment here to be today. Over the course of the week, I hope you will have the chance to tour our aircraft and experience the Q Suite for yourself on board this world's flagship long-range carrier 777-300ER. This aircraft will shortly go into service on the Doha-London Heathrow route, the first to receive the Q Suite. So if you have your credit cards ready, please provide it to me. This will be followed by Paris, a city which already has such a strong connection with Qatar Airways. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here in this French summer day to witness Qatar Airways history. I look forward to welcoming you on board. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure to introduce now Mr. Ray Connor, the Vice Chairman of the Boeing Company, to say a few words on this historic occasion.
Thank you. Your Excellencies, thank you for allowing me to be here today to speak on behalf of the Boeing Company. Akbar, I want to thank you personally. It's been a really, truly an honor and a pleasure for us to be here today to witness the Q Suite on the 777-300ER, which is really the backbone of the long-haul fleet for Qatar Airways. And I know I speak for all of us at the Boeing Company when I say that how proud we are that you selected the 777 to debut your Q Suite on Qatar Airways, the new innovative business class experience. You know, earlier this year I had an opportunity to witness and sit in this revolutionary concept and design, and I can really tell you it fits the description as first in business class product. And you know, this is something that you know, this airline and Akbar in general has done forever, redefining the customer experience and really having the customer and the passenger at the heart of everything that they do. It is really, really a remarkable achievement. You know, and the Q Suite has already won the world's best innovation in aviation of the year award at the Ultras 2017 awards in London, which is on top of a number of awards that Qatar Airways has received over the years, including Best Business Class by Skytrax in 2016. You know, the Q Suite is just one of many innovations that Qatar Airways has introduced to make really the flying experience truly remarkable. And I think anybody that's flown on Qatar Airways can really speak to that. And while the inaugural flight is going to be from Doha to London, you know, we're looking forward to incorporating this configuration into all of the 777s that Qatar Airways has, and so the rest of the world can start to experience this remarkable Q Suite. And I just want to say that we are extremely proud to be the partner with Qatar Airways and to be a partner with Qatar and in particular with Akbar. So thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really enjoy the experience. Thank you very much.
Photographer, please have your cameras ready, and we're doing the ribbon cutting shortly. We're ready to do the ribbon cutting. His Excellency Hassan Hussein Al Sulaiti, Minister of Transport, to do the ribbon cutting.
Go back a bit, guys. Just move back. Just move back. Move back a bit. Move back. So everybody move back. 1 minute back. There. Just move back. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Very good, Martin. Yes, Martin. Yes, man. Very good, very good. That's it. Okay. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Thank you.
هذه إحدى الطائرات اللي اشترتها دولة قطر، ربما اشترتها على لندن أو بريطانيا. سوف نتجول قليلا وهي من نوع أوفست بيت. تم تدشين أو ربما أول طائرة بهذا الحجم. ربما ليست من صنع قطر وإنما اشترتها فقط. أحد المحركات.